conducive to I.
Because when you've been saying what it could potentially say in the paper, you've been using I.
And I was just going to say, because one of the other things that they're going to get out of this is that things are audience specific. Mm-hmm. And the genre sections in the textbook actually ask them to think about audience. So for me, it works better if they use I, because then they're identifying themselves as the audience for each of the arguments that they're analyzing. And there's a real audience, and there are real concrete reasons that for them as an audience, things work and things don't.
Okay. And the other thing, too, with 1102, the purpose of it, the subtitle of 1102 is, like, moving towards agency, you know? Like, we're trying to get the students to become, as they move through these projects, they're looking at the ways that they're influenced by arguments, and then as they go through the class, they're sort of looking at the ways that they can use arguments to influence others.
Right.
So I feel like to let them use I is to sort of let them assert their own agency and say, I am doing this thing, rather than having these things done to me.
Okay.
And I think it's nice.
But it's up to the teachers.
It's a nice connection between 1101 and 1102 as well, because in 1101 Project 3, they're using I.
Right.
And then their literacy narratives, at the very end of 1101, they're using I. And so I think it's a nice bridge if we encourage the I at the beginning of 1102. It's a nice connection for those who took the course this semester and who are taking 1102 next.